हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और आपकी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी भी अच्छी जा रही होगी। फ्रेंड्स, ये क्लास एमएस एक्सेल की क्लास है। इसमें हम एमएस एक्सेल के 20 बेसिक क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए। लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एमएस एक्सेल इज यूज फॉर लेटर राइटिंग, स्प्रेडशीट कैलकुलेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन और पेंटिंग. Right answer is spreadsheet calculation. Question number 2. It is the software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate set of numbers. Is it spreadsheet, spreadsheet, slide sheet or all of these? The right answer is spreadsheet. Question number 3. It is a grid of cells made up of horizontal and vertical columns. Is it worksheet, sheet or Excel sheet or page? The right answer is worksheet. Question number 4. The physical arrangement of elements on a page is referred to as a documents. Is it features, format, pagination or grid? The right answer of question number 4 is format. Question number 5. The extension of saved file in MS Excel is .xls, .xas, .xlsx or .xll. The right answer of question number 5 is .xlsx. Question number 6. A cell entry can be edited in the cell or in the menu bar, edit menu or function bar or formula bar. The right answer is formula bar. Question number 7. In Excel, an active cell can be represented by 4A, A4, $4, $A, $4. The right answer is A4. Number 2. Question number 8. To select the current column, press Ctrl plus space bar, Ctrl plus B, Shift plus enter or Ctrl plus enter. The right answer of question number 8 is Ctrl plus space bar. Question number 9. Borders can be applied to cells, paragraph, text or all of these. तो फ्रेंड्स, इसका सही आंसर है ऑल ऑफ दीज. बॉर्डर जो है सेल्स, पैराग्राफ और टेक्स्ट सभी में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. इक्वल टू सम ब्रैकेट C1 to C8 इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फंक्शन, फॉर्मूला, सेल एड्रेस और वैल्यू. इट इज ए फॉर्मूला. नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Pie charts are typically created by using which of the following? Database software, desktop publishing software, word processing software or spreadsheet software? The right answer is spreadsheet software. Question number 12. Alignment buttons are available on which toolbar? Is it on status, standard, formatting or all of these? The right answer is number 3, formatting. Question number 13. The cell accepts your typing as its contents if you press enter, Ctrl plus enter, tab or insert. The right answer is enter. Question number 14. What function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Is it hyperlink, index, transpose or rows? The right answer is transpose. Question number 15. The basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a tab, cell, box or range. The right answer is cell. Question number 16. Which one is the example of spreadsheet package? Unity, Ada, Snowball or none of these? The right answer is Snowball. Number 3. Question number 17. The file responsible for starting MS Excel is ms.excel, ms.exe, excel.exe or excel.com. The right answer is number 3, excel.exe. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a valid formula in Microsoft Excel? Is it equal to A2 plus A1? Is it equal to A2 plus 1, equal to 1 plus A2 or equal to 1A plus 2? The right answer is number 4, equal to 1A plus 2. Question number 19. In a worksheet in MS Excel, but is shortcut key to hide entire row? Is it Ctrl plus 2, Ctrl plus 9, Ctrl plus N or Ctrl plus dash? The right answer is control plus 2. The last question is the function today bracket in Excel enters the current, system time in a cell, system date and time in a cell, system date only, or time at which the current file was opened. The right answer is time at which the current file was opened. Number 4. So friends, ये थे MS Excel के कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चन. होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर अच्छी लगी तो फ्रेंड्स लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फ्रेंड्स.